Hello students, we are beginning with the new topic under Unit 8, that is Microbes in Human Welfare. This topic is divided under 6 headings: Microbes in Household Products, Microbes in Industrial Processing, Microbes in the Production of Biogas, Microbes in the Treating Sewage Water, Microbes as biofertilizers, and microbes as biocontrollers. In today's session, I will cover microbes in household products. Remember, there will be definite 1-mark question under section A of annual exam, and sometimes there will be a short note on the significance of the products. Sometimes there will be a descriptive question on the biogas plant or biogas production or sewage treatment carries 5 marks weightage, which is repeatedly asked in previous exams. So this chapter is very important for board exam as well as for the NEET examination. To begin with, the first product at the household level where without microbe it is not possible to get that product. Name of the product is curd. Microbe essential to convert pasteurized milk into curd is LAB. It is lactic acid bacteria. Now what exactly this bacteria will do in the milk? Usually at household level we pasteurize the milk, and in lukewarm milk we will add little amount of curd as an inoculum. Inoculum means starter, as curd contain larger number of lactobacilli. It is a short name of LAB or lactic acid bacteria. After adding inoculum in the pasteurized milk, milk contain lactose. It is a milk sugar or carbohydrate. Now these bacteria starts feeding on the lactose to derive the energy. During this process, they has to synthesize enzymes, and a set of enzymes together known as zymase complex. As the bacteria start feeding on this lactose, this enzyme, as secretion increases, it start diffusing outside the bacterial body, and the medium is milk. So milk contain lactose which start converting into lactic acid. So it is extracellular degradation of lactose by zymase complex released by bacteria. So the milk converted into a solid form. This curd is having partially digested proteins. It also accumulated vitamin B complex, and after taking curd during our meals, it will enhance the digestive capacity because this acts as an inoculum to secrete the protein digesting enzymes. So naturally, if you compare nutritional quality of milk and the curd is giving highest nutritional value. This is a short note on the preparation of curd. What you need to remember is the curd product name, microbe used is lactobacilli or lactic acid bacteria. Product number 2 is cheese. It is also milk product. Now there are some dairy products. The curd is flavored and packed in airtight containers and it is known as yogurt. Chakka is also made, from which we can prepare Shrikhand or Amrakhand or fruit khand. We can prepare buttermilk, we can obtain butter, we can prepare ghee. There are so many products, but here the main product at the household level, but industrial equipments are necessary for this. It is preparation of the cheese. The prepared curd is compressed, and there is a typical bacteria named Propionibacterium shermani. They will increase their number, by which the cheese becomes spongy and soft. By allowing fungal growth on the cheese, a typical flavor is given to the cheese slots. So Propionibacteria shermani is used in preparation of the cheese. There are two famous cheese available in the international market. One is Swiss cheese, famous for its texture, and Roquefort cheese is famous for its flavor. Coming to product number 3, it is idli and dosa. What we do to prepare idli dosa, we soak rice and black gram for 4 to 5 hours. When we grind and prepare the batter, and when we allow that batter to undergo fermentation. Now what exactly fermentation? The similar process where milk converted into curd. Here what happens? In the batter, the bacterial growth enhances. Name of the bacteria are Leuconostoc mesenteroids and Pediococcus. These bacteria allow fermentation of the batter. So morning after 5 to 6 hours, when we spread this batter on the hot plate, the CO2 evolve from this, making the dosa porous. If we steam this batter as idli, it becomes spongy due to release of carbon dioxide. So idli and dosa obtained by the action of Pediococcus and Leuconostoc mesenteroids. Product number 4, baking atoms. While preparing bakery products, maida is taken, yeast powder is added, and adding water, the dough is made. It is allowed for fermentation, and when this dough is heated, the dough becomes porous and we will get bread, donuts, etc. The name of the microbe, it is a fungus. Yeast powder, I said. Yeast is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. The common name given to this organism is baker's yeast. As yeast will feed on the carbohydrates present in the maida, it allows fermentation, and during fermentation and when the temperature is given, CO2 evolve. Coming to product number 5, it is toddy. Palm trees, which appear like coconut trees. What people will do, they will cut the leaf base and they'll tie the pod there. As we know, whenever we make injury to the plant, the sap oozes out due to exudation. So here, from the leaf base, the sap of the plant is collected. Fresh collected sap of the palm tree is known as nira. If you keep it for 3 to 4 hours by allowing bacterial and fungal growth, typical smell start coming. It is an alcoholic smell. Then it is known as toddy. If you keep almost 8 to 9 hours, it becomes arak, which act like a stimulant and followed by depressants. These are household products obtained at small scale industry level. Product number 1, curd. Microbe use lactic acid bacteria or lactobacilli. Product 2, cheese. There are 2 types of cheese, Swiss cheese, Roquefort cheese, and microbe used is Propionibacteria shermani. Product 3, idli and dosa. The names of bacteria are not given in the textbook, but you can remember Pediococcus and Leuconostoc. Product number 4, baking atoms or bakery atoms. Microbe used is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. And product 5 is toddy. It is a sap collected from the palm trees and allowed for fermentation by allowing bacterial growth. With this, I will conclude the first part of this